Modern technology has changed our lives in countless ways, revolutionizing how we work, live, and play. As recently as the 1990s, televisions were the height of technology in many American homes. According to the census Bureau, a mere 15% of residents had a personal computer in 1989. By 2011, this number had climbed to 75%. Modern offices would be unrecognizable to workers of the past due to the proliferation of emails, video conferencing, smartphones, and laptops. Technology has had a huge impact on the healthcare industry. Advancements in diagnostic tools permit doctors to identify health problems early, improving the odds of successful life treatments. Vaccines have been incredibly effective, practically eradicating diseases such as measles, diphtheria, and smallpox, which once caused massive epidemics. Modern medicine allows patients to manage chronic conditions that were once debilitating and life-threatening, such as diabetes and hypertension. Advancements in medical technology have increased lifespans and improved quality of life for people worldwide. Computers and internet have transformed education. Computers store huge amounts of data in a very small space, shrinking shelves of reference books down to a single flash drive. They enable better presentation of information, making the process of teaching easier and more effective. Online education has provided unprecedented learning opportunities to people all over the world. Lectures and lessons can be uploaded to websites in written or video form, making information more accessible. All of the information you want is available and accessible 24 hours per day, thanks to the World Wide Web. One of the areas where technology has made the biggest impact is in the realm of communication. Conversing with people outside your immediate vicinity was once a difficult process requiring physical letters and a lot of patience. For most of last century, professional communication involved letter writing, faxing, or spending hours on telephone. No longer. Email is now the primary mode of business communication in today's workplace. Advancements in technology have improved virtually every aspect of our lives, and the best is yet to come.